Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's tap on date and time, which should be on the 4th position. And as you can see here, we've got options connected to the date, time and time zone, but they are inactive. So first of all, we have to turn off the time and time zone, which are right now provided automatically using the network. And now we can freely tap on date, and here by swiping we can pick the date we want to use. The same situation with the time, simply tap on it and by swiping pick the hour. Tap on it to hide it, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, and here you will be transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one, it can be here. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you've got the option and dual clock, and of course you can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher, it's up to you. And here you can decide manually what kind of clock format we want to use. So right now we are using 24-hour format. After tapping on the switcher you will apply the 12-hour format, so it's up to you of course. And basically this is it. This is how to customize the date and time. You can get back to all previous settings and just by tapping on the switcher and both of those, so you can set the time and time zone automatically. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.